Hey guys, welcome to another fucking video. Why am I here? Why am I doing this? JayzTwoCents, actually pretty good channel for PC hardware tests and stuff, made a video. Can you still build a good gaming rig for 1.5k in 2025? And I watched it to the end, and it's absolutely infuriating, for me at least, because you have to understand, I do budget gaming builds as a hobby, and it was like 1.5k. That's a lot of fucking money. The answer automatically should be yes. Why is this even a question? So I watch it, and oh god. So he talks about upgradability, and his parts list is very inconclusive. I had to skim through the video to get the actual ones that he got there, because I have like my whole ass table here. And the thing is, he grabs 9700X, which is a good CPU, pretty good, but like pretty expensive. Usually tray variant, okay, it's on a discount right now, but 330, still a lot. So the first difference that I start with is I picked out a 700. It's also AM5, it also supports DDR5. Upgradability is in the package. Great shit. Most motherboards work with it on first buyers. Don't have to worry about anything. If you want to cut a corner, then do this instead. Not gonna lie. This is just a dumb purchase as well. The 7700 is just the way to go with. What else does he pick out? A 7900 XT in it. He wanted to make a good PC for 1440p. Bro made a fucking 4K machine in the end. That's massive! That's fucking massive! Like, that's not even just a good PC, that's a brilliant PC. And he gets all these discounts. Yeah, that's another thing I wanted to talk about. He said $1,500 PC. It's pre-tax. It's pre-tax. So it's actually above 1500. So we're not trying to make budget cuts, I guess. This is my whole takeaway from the whole thing. I tried to make recreate the whole PC in Amazon, Germany, and I came around 1,845 euros. That's about $2,000. Even if you got like $200 discounted, it's still a huge overshot of the 1500. It's in the title, just implied 1500 in the title. Okay, there's nothing with pre-tax or even in the description. He mentioned this in the last bit after the 20 minutes about this area. Why would you choose this if you can get for the same price the new 9070 XT? It's around the same price of, yeah, sure, 4 gigabytes of VRAM less, if I remember correctly. But performance, FSR 4, it is the newer graphics card. It will get. I don't get it. Why do you go with the newest Ryzen, but not the latest graphics card? That's also like a huge misstep in my eyes, at least. So what did I choose instead? I choose an ASRock B650M HDV M.2. Around 60 bucks less. Supports the 7700 out of the box. No fucking problem. And yeah. It's a budget motherboard. You can upgrade it in the future if you want to. It works, okay? It fucking works. You don't need more. It has PCI 4. The bare fucking minimum nowadays anyway. Jay also chose G-Skill Flare X, 32 gigabyte, 600 mega transfer RAM. I just picked cheap crucial ones. Does the job, is a bit cheaper. Not that much. I think maybe $50, €50 I think. Yep, about 30 to 40 euro in price difference. It's just RAM. Usually there goes nothing wrong. Then this random ass SK Hynix 2TB Platinum costs way too much. Put a WD Blue instead. 2TB, 50 euro less. CPU cooler is fine. I was around the same budget. I just used a different brand because I have my own brand here. Yeah, I identified the power supply that he picked as a Be Quiet Pure Power 12M 850 watts gold. I found it on Amazon for 150. You could also pick the 1000 watt for 150. I picked the Be Quiet Pure Power 12M 750 watts. Because it was way cheaper. It was like 40 bucks cheaper. That's a budget cut. And lastly is PC case, because they're all MATX. I didn't take the flop-in. The fractal case costs 113. Because I already tested a Silentware case, I chose the small MATX one, the Air 10. I had the Air 100, I think. My alternative 1440p machine was at the whopping 1544 euros. That's almost exactly 300 euros less. Do you see my problem now? And what even is a good PC? Like, does it have to do everything on max on 1440p? Like, what is a good PC? He never even mentions that. He just bombards you with random hardware that you won't afford usually, because I find them quite expensive. The budget 1440p alternative, I considered putting a 7700 XT in there. But I was like, nah, we do want to crank some settings. And my 6700 XT is enough for my 1440p users. Just in case, just to take the 800 in it. I think I changed nothing else with it. Same Ryzen, same motherboard, just a different GPU. The rest is the same. Already cuts us down to 1.2K. That's even less. It's still so fucking good. We don't need the 7900 XT. Why would we use that if we don't want to do 4K? 12 gigabytes of VRAM is usually enough. 16 gigabytes. That's the same as the 9070. That should be more than fucking enough. And yeah, that's my budget alternative. I mean, yeah, in comparison. And now they're, in my eyes, actually good PC. Like, it's good, it's mediocre. It's enough for everything right now. I put in. And yeah, this goes against the upgradability, but I tried to cut as many corners as possible, okay? I went with a Ryzen 5700X. Good octa-core, good price. I chose an RX 6750 XT, just like my 6700. Also should be suitable for 1440p, by the way. Actually, that's a mid-budget 1440p machine already. Technically, you could go with the even cheaper 7600. Actually, never mind. I don't think. No, never mind. There is a small price gap between them. And it kind of hurt me, but I picked out a Gigabyte B550M Aorus Elite. Why did I pick it? Because you can flash BIOS without a working CPU in it. You just put in the USB stick, press the button on the mainboard. It's not on the I/O, actually, it's on the mainboard itself. And it flashes your BIOS as long as you do the correct names and data. The correct file is what I'm saying. Chose some 32 gigabyte 3600 megahertz Corsair Vengeance RAM. Dirt cheap. The same SSD though. The same air cooler. And the same Be Quiet Pure Power PSU. And the same case. Where do we land? We land at about 982 euro. And yeah. And now to my conclusion. the main part that confuses me the fucking most. The question is not if you still can build a good PC, whatever good means, with $1,500 fucking dollars. The question would be, can you still build a good PC for $1,000? Is what I'd fucking say. If you take it pre-tax, bruh, you can even blow this shit out of the park. Take a fucking 7700 XT or something as a graphics card. I don't fucking know. I'm so confused by the question. It's irritating. I don't get it. You can, like, when did we decide to use the upper end? I'm sorry, it's like the 9700X as well. It's not even mid-budget, technically speaking. It's a fucking already upper budget in my eyes. It's an octa-core. It's a new octa-core even. It's a fairly new octa-core. And that's basically it. That's why I'm so irritated, because no definition for a good PC. The fucking money is pre-tax. That's almost kind of clickbaity. I don't wanna say it's a clickbait, because it's just like, it's an easygoing, it's like a daily upload. I don't think there was much thought behind it actually. They just went to Micro Center and just put together something for 1.5k. It's an easy video, okay? I get it, but still. That's no budget build, bruh. For whom is this? Who is this for? That's why I'm wondering. I'm gonna try to link all the products that I personally use in the description. And if you need any help, you can, most of you, my friends who watch this, ring, text me something. People who are new, post a comment. Maybe I can help you configure something. If you liked this, subscribe, leave a like. There's not much else to say actually. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Bye.